Hello everyone, my name is Usman, and today I'm going to show you how you can set up Metapixel and lead form events using Google Tag Manager. So a lot of people get confused with Google Tag Manager because it's not that easy. It's super confusing, super complicated. A lot of people just get confused with it. So I'm just gonna keep it super simple so you guys can understand it and hopefully implement this yourself. So a quick introduction about me. My name is Usman, and I run a meta advertising agency called Dream Growth HQ. And so yeah, without wasting any time, let's just dive into it. So if you haven't installed Metapixel on your website, for some reason, you know, a lot of clients don't really hand over uh, they don't have credentials sometimes, and like there's a lot of problem in getting the right access to set up the Metapixel. So sometimes they have a Google Tag Manager already installed, so we just go with that. So yeah, if you don't already have a Metapixel installed on your website, we're just gonna come over to the Image Manager. And once you come over here, if you don't have any pixel, if you don't have any data set, you're going to see this screen right here. And you need to just click on connect data over here, click on website, next, and just name it whatever. I'm going to test it. I'm going to, name it test. Don't click on it because it's a free trial, and after that, you're going to get paid for the Conversions API gateway. So we're just implementing the browser pixel right now, not the Conversions API. So just click on it. Uh, it will create your um, data set, your pixel, and now you need to decide how you can connect it to your website, right? So it's taking some time to load, no problem. All right, we just do it ourselves, no problem. Okay, so go to data sources if you have come over here. Okay, it's gonna show you a bunch of options. We're gonna go with the setup metapixel. The easiest way is to use partner integration, and this automatically sets up Conversions API as well. But if your client has problems, if you have problems getting the right access from your clients, you're probably gonna go with the manual option just to track a quick form, a lead form, and run ads on that. So yeah, for partner integration, if you have you know WordPress website, WooCommerce, Wix, Webflow, Squarespace, Shopify, BigCommerce, any of the website, you can just implement it right away, and Google Tag Manager as well, so you can implement it right away basically. So that's not a problem. So yeah, let's just set up using. We have two options really. With Google Tag Manager, let's just go with choose a partner and then Google Tag Manager, and it's gonna automatically install Metapixel on our website, right? Just skip this Conversions API because it's a paid thing. Turn on automatic advanced matching. It depends. If you're a health and wellness brand, I won't turn this on due to the restrictions recently imposed by Meta with the health and wellness categorization. So I don't recommend turning this on. Okay, hit next. So I'm just gonna select my agency account and just finish setup. Now what it's gonna do is it's automatically going to set up the metapixel on this Google Tag Manager account, and we're just gonna do that and see it for ourselves. So finish setup, and it's gonna automatically add the Google tag in the Google Tag Manager. So yeah, I think it has already done this. So it's asking to add events, but that's okay. We're just gonna close it, and hopefully when we come over here to our Google Tag Manager, so you just need to go to tagmanager.google.com. Hopefully we will have a metapixel tag installed here. So we have the metapixel ID, everything is over here. Okay, so it creates a custom HTML tag and it fires on all pages. So it's a very simple, setup. One thing to note here is that the changes won't be um, reflected on the website until you hit submit. So until you publish the page from here, until you hit submit, it's not gonna work. So let's just do that. Let's just publish this. Continue. and it's gonna reflect on our website. So we can check our website too if we want. See if we have Metapixel installed successfully. Yep, we do. So yeah, everything is working perfectly fine so far. So yeah, the next thing we need to do is we need to simply track a form. Okay, so for example, if you want to track a form real quick, how do you do that? So we have a few options over here. Uh, the first thing we can do here is, for example, if you go to a website, you have a form on your website. I'm picking this website randomly, because they have a form over here. So all you need to do is right click and inspect, and then look for the form tag over here. So we're gonna go down there, gonna look for the form tag. So they have one form tag over here. Now we need a form ID or a form class. In this case, they have a form class. If you're able to add a form ID, then this would be pretty simple. If you don't have a form ID, if you have a form class, then just use the form class. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay, so first of all, let's just go to the trigger. So we need to create a trigger first. Okay, hit new and choose a trigger type to begin with. And we're gonna go with form submission over here. Oh, this trigger fires on some forms. Okay, so we're gonna specify which form is gonna be. Now we need to choose a variable over here. So choose built-in variable. So, and we're gonna select form ID and form classes over here. Now we don't have a form ID, we have form classes, but I'm gonna show you how you can do it with a form ID too. The form classes equals, and wherever your form class is, just copy that, simply just paste it over here, and that's gonna be your trigger. And yeah, no need to check any of these. So we can say form payment form trigger or something like that. Just name it whatever you want. So no problem with that. All right, we saved it, and so we have a trigger ready. Now we just need a tag, right? So we're gonna create a new tag real quick, and we need to select the trigger. So we just select this trigger, simple, nothing complicated over here, and we're gonna say Metapixel lead event. Since we are tracking a lead event over here, we're gonna name it like that. So in the tag configuration, it's pretty simple. We just need to select a custom HTML tag, and on ChatGPT, I have this tag copied. So what this tag does is, whenever a payment form trigger occurs, so whenever somebody submits the form, it triggers the we have a trigger over here, so it just triggers, and the trigger fires the tag, right? And the tag has the Facebook pixel code for the lead. So it basically tells, okay, a lead event has been fired, and it sends back a lead event to the lead event and the lead event information as well to the Metapixel. So this way we can easily track the lead event, and once done, just hit save, and it's gonna work. Simply, it's just gonna work like it should. So another example over here I have is a form ID. So inspect, and you can see the form tag over here. We have a ID that says business name. So in the same way that we did with the form class, so we can create another trigger if you want to, or let me just show you how you can do it over here. So instead of the form class, you can say form ID equals, and then just paste it over here. So that's just how you do it. That's how simple it is. So nothing complicated, and it sets up your lead event pretty easily. I have already set up lead event for a number of websites using this, and it's pretty accurate. So it works pretty much. So that's pretty much it. This is the tutorial. If you liked it, hit the like button down below. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like these, and You can comment if you need, help with Facebook ads or something like that. The links are going to be in the description as well, so you can check those out. So yeah, take care, peace, bye bye. See you in the next video.